what is the responsive testing? Many people think about it, that you need just to check. Many people confuse it with cross-browser testing. This is something related, and it means that you need to check the functionality of your website and look and feel on different browsers. This is something that it can really help you, and definitely you need to do that, especially if you are building a website for mobile. You definitely need to check it. If you need to manually verify such websites, it's really essential to check their responsiveness. The responsiveness means that when your website is loaded, it detects the current resolution of the device and the browser, and it's displayed differently. As you can see, this is just one of my demo websites, and as you can see, when I resize the browser, at some point it change the layout of my elements. Another thing that may happen is that many often, actually in an enterprise project that I'm working on right now, we had such task like 2 weeks ago, and when we work with the designers and front-enders, we have this Photoshop-like application where we have, by designers, different resolutions with rearranged elements, where not only the elements and their size is different, but also there are different fonts, different font sizes, and this is something definitely that you need to check. Of course, you can use developer tools. Here, as you probably know, you can find information about the computed styles. For example, this particular font, you can go to compute it, and then below you can find, for example, here, this is the computed and used font family. This is the font size, font weight, and these are stuff that designers usually put in their designer files that give to the front-enders that need to implement for a different front-end. But of course, you as QA, you need to check all of these properties here. And not only that, many often when you need to verify such layout rearrangements, you need, especially when you are doing pixel perfect testing, there are some extensions for Chrome and other browsers that you can, put directly inside the browser directly, put like a screenshot on top of the currently rendered elements and see whether there are differences or not. However, especially in automated testing, as you will see, through WebDriver, we can calculate these like distances between the elements. For example, we can check that this particular div here is exactly 5 pixels to the left from the second element, and so forth. We can check that all of these elements are aligned horizontally and there are no differences between them. Or when we resize the browser, we can align and check that pixel perfect, that all of these elements and divs here are aligned perfectly vertically, right? This is especially true for example, you need to check that on particular resolutions, this menu is, change functionality and it's actually displayed like this. But when you are in this mode, actually, the menu items are somewhere else. Also, it's really important here, and you can emulate mobile devices in Chrome. I'm especially showing you this in Chrome DevTools because later I'm going to show you how you can simulate all of this with code. But as you know, when you click on this mobile icon here, you can choose predefined dimensions, for example, Galaxy Fold, and we can zoom it 100%. This is like basically you are simulating the real mobile device, you are emulating it. Also, you can change the layout and so forth. Or you can set custom, you can change it just to responsive, and then you can set custom width and height.